2026 is the year of the horse, a year that encourages us to embrace strength, freedom, and courage. Horses have long been symbols of resilience, grace, and trust. Today, I want to talk about the lessons that horses can teach all of us. Lessons in facing challenges, carrying responsibilities, and finding courage in faith. Whether you are caring for family, working tirelessly, or navigating life's unexpected storms, the way of the horse shows us how to carry what feels too heavy with calm, courage, and trust in God. Hey, I'm Daniela, the vegan mom. I'm also a homeschooling mom and lifelong caregiver to my daughter Christina, who was born with Down syndrome and who inspires me every single day. On this channel, we explore what it takes to live strong, stay healthy, and practice compassion for people and for animals. And today we're diving into the way of the horse, a path that mirrors courage, freedom, resilience, and faith in everyday life. Horses are powerful, but their true strength is more than muscle. Their strength embodies endurance, spirit, and presence. The ability to move through life with grace, even under a heavy load and abuse. In Job 39, the Bible reminds us of the horse's strength. Do you give the horse its strength? Do you clothe its neck with a flowing mane? Do you make it leap like a locust? Horses show us that strength isn't just about force. It's about calm, confidence, and freedom. Freedom from all that troubles us. With every stride, horses teach us freedom. Like horses, we can build strength in our lives through faith and through nurturing our bodies and by embracing quiet resilience. Horses teach us about freedom and trust. They observe, listen, and they respond with care. In Psalm 147:10, the Bible tells us, God doesn't take pride in a horse's strength or a warrior's powerful legs. What God values most is a humble and faithful heart. He wants us to put our hope in His unfailing love. True power isn't measured by our solo efforts, but by the grace, trust, and faith we bring to every step we take. And horses remind us that freedom comes from letting go of fear, of control, and trusting God's plan for our lives. Buck Brenneman said, "The horse is a mirror to your soul." When we slow down and pay attention to ourselves and the world around us, we discover who we truly are and then can live with courage, patience, and compassion. Horses are natural healers. They sense our emotions, our fear, stress, and sadness, and they respond with calm presence. Proverbs 12:10 reminds us, the righteous care for the needs of their animals. And caring for horses is caring for life itself. Horses carry what we cannot. Our pain, our worries, and our exhaustion. They teach us that healing doesn't always mean fixing. Sometimes it's about presence, release, and trusting God to guide us forward. Pam Brown said, "Horses lend us the wings we lack." When we walk with them, even briefly, we feel lighter, freer, and more capable of facing life's challenges. So how can we live the way of the horse in our own lives? It begins with 3 simple yet powerful practices that can guide us every single day. Number 1, stand with courage. Face life's challenges with calm confidence. Number 2, move with trust. Trust God, yourself, and those you care for. Number 3, heal through presence. Take time to slow down, release stress, and be fully present. In Psalm 32:8, God promises us, I will instruct you and teach you in the way you should go. I will counsel you with my loving eye on you. Living the way of the horse calls us to live intentionally, to protect the vulnerable, and to honor the sacred gift of life in ourselves, in our families, and in the animals we love. Let's summarize the lessons the horses share with us. Number 1, strength comes from calm confidence, cultivated with faith and care for your body. Number 2, freedom requires trust. Let go and move with grace. Number 3, healing comes from presence. Pause, connect, and release what weighs you down. Applying these lessons gives us courage, compassion, and trust in God's guidance for our lives. If this message spoke to your heart, I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. What lesson from the horse resonated most with you? The way of the horse teaches us strength, presence, and trust. And if you're ready to bring those same healing principles into your own life, I invite you to take the first step through my free workshop called Back to the Garden of Eden. My Back to the Garden of Eden workshop is a beautiful introduction to my healing approach, where we nurture transformation through mindset, music, movement, plant-based food, and compassion for animals. The link to my free workshop is in the description below, and I would love for you to join me on this journey toward healing. And remember, true wellness isn't a trend. It's a sacred responsibility to ourselves and to those who depend on us. Please like and subscribe and become part of our vegan tribe. And until next time, stay grounded, live with compassion, and keep moving forward with grace. Bye for now.